Artificial intelligence may create more wealth than any technology in human history. Trillions of dollars, new industries, new empires, new billionaires. But there's a darker side. What if that wealth doesn't reach everyone? What if AI creates a world where a small group becomes unimaginably rich, while everyone else falls behind? Because for the first time in history, a machine may be able to do what millions of humans do. And if that happens, who gets paid? For most of history, wealth has been tied to labor. People work, companies pay, economies grow. That cycle built the modern world. But AI could break that cycle, because AI can produce value without needing millions of workers. One company, one AI system, millions of outputs, minimal human involvement. That changes the entire equation. The people who own the systems own the profits, and that's where the wealth gap begins. Imagine a future where a handful of companies control the most powerful AI models on Earth. They automate industries, reduce labor costs, increase profits, and dominate markets. Their value skyrockets, their influence expands, their wealth becomes historic. But what happens to the workers replaced in that process? That's the other side. If millions lose jobs, or wages drop because AI makes labor cheaper, the middle class could shrink. And history shows us something dangerous. When the middle class weakens, society becomes unstable. Because wealth concentration changes power. It changes politics, opportunity, education, healthcare, even freedom. The rich gain access to better AI, better systems, better protection, while everyone else struggles to keep up. And that creates two worlds, one powered by AI, one left behind by it. Some experts warn this could create the biggest inequality gap in modern history. Not because AI is bad, but because access to AI may not be equal. The smartest systems may belong to the richest people and the richest companies. That means AI could amplify power, not distribute it. This is already starting. Big tech companies are investing billions into AI infrastructure. Startups are racing for dominance. Governments are funding AI for national advantage. And investors are pouring money into the future. But average workers? Many are still trying to understand what's happening. And by the time they do, the gap may already be growing. But there's another possibility. AI could also create opportunities. New businesses, new careers, new systems. The people who learn early, adapt fast, and build with AI could rise faster than ever before. That's the opportunity. Because in every revolution, there are losers and there are winners. The difference is usually timing, understanding, and action. AI may create the richest generation in history, but it may also create the poorest at the same time. And the line between those two futures may depend on who controls the machines and who learn to use them. Because the AI age is not coming. It's already here, and it's already dividing the world.
The future is not just automated, it is completely and utterly alive. Do not miss what comes next. Subscribe and join the evolution.